Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use iPhone as action camera. Here are the steps to use your iPhone as an action camera. First is to unlock your iPhone by using the Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Clean the camera lens. Wipe the lens with a soft cloth to ensure clear footage. Use a sturdy mount or tripod. Attach your iPhone to an action camera mount. Chest strap, handlebar clamp, or helmet mount using a secure phone holder. Open the camera app. Launch the camera from the home screen or control center. Set the camera to video mode. Swipe to the video tab for recording. Activate action mode, iPhone 14 and later. Tap the action mode icon, looks like a running person, to stabilize video for fast movement. Set the recording quality by going to Settings, Camera, Record Video, and select 4K at 60 frames per second or desired quality for smoother footage. Lock exposure and focus. Tap and hold on the subject until AF lock appears to keep the camera settings stable. Enable grid lines for better framing. Go to Settings, Camera, then toggle on Grid to help you keep shots level. Start recording and use volume buttons for control. Use the volume buttons or compatible Bluetooth remote to start and stop recording without touching the screen. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.